Hello lovely people, you are all welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to cook bitter leaf soup mixed with water leaf. So let's begin. In an empty pot we are going to add our beef. You can use any beef of your choice. I'm using goat meat here. Adding my seasoning cube, salt and blended scotch bonnet pepper. Added my onion, ginger and garlic mixed together. Stir properly and cover to cook. At this point I'm not going to add any water. Cover it to steam for about 2 minutes. Now it's ready and I will be adding some water to allow it to cook properly for about 7 to 8 minutes. Here the meat is ready, so I'll be adding my stock fish and some dry fish, also pomo at this point. Stir and cover and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes so that the pomo and the stock fish will get soft. At this point our proteins is ready and we'll move to the next step. In an empty pot we are going to add some palm oil and allow it to heat up for about 2 minutes and then add our onion. After adding your onion to the oil, the next thing is to add your washed locust beans. We call it locust beans or eru. Then stir it and allow to steam for about 2 minutes and then add our mixed blended pepper. The blended pepper here is a combination of few scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper or tatashe and bawa. Stir and allow it to fry until you start seeing oil floating on the surface. At this point I added my seasoning and some salt. I decided to add my pomo and stockfish here because it was not well cooked in the other pot. The pomo or cow skin is a bit thick, so I decided to add it here in order to get it cooked well. I check at this point and discover that it is now tender and soft. So I'll be adding my ogiri okpehe and stir it and allow it to cook again for 2 minutes. At this point I'll be adding my cooked beef and the stock, also the smoked fish. Stir and allow to cook for 2 minutes before adding vegetable. I will be adding our water leaf first before bitter leaf. This water leaf has already been washed behind the camera. Please make sure you wash your vegetable well before using. Stir and allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then add your bitter leaf. The bitter leaf has been washed as well. I washed the bitter leaf to reduce the bitterness. I didn't wash it too much because I like that bitterness in my soup. It's not the soup I cook every time, but any day I know I want to make my bitter leaf soup, I allow it to retain the bitterness a little because that is why it is called bitter leaf soup. Stir till well combined, then add your crayfish. Please be generous with your crayfish because this will take the bitter leaf soup to another level. Now mix it until everything is well combined and then cover the pot and allow it to steam for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then our bitter leaf soup is ready. You can enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. Most time I make this soup, I sit down with it and take it without any swallow. When I'm done taking the soup, I will take a cup of water, then I'll be fine. But today I'm going to enjoy it with pounded yam. Yes, at this point, Nigeria, the power has gone off. Now our father's land, NEPA have taken light. But that doesn't stop me from enjoying my soup. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. And I say thank you to my returning subscribers. See you some other time when I post my next video. Bye bye.
Nighttime alone, I lay in the dark and look past the ceiling, up at the stars. I wonder how far and which one is yours. So when I talk, you'll hear me say I fall in love with you every single day, and that will never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. Ooh, that'll never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. When it comes to face, do you shy away? Would you regret holding your breath if you die today? And what's the purpose of this life if you ain't sharing it? If only I could see what's hidden in the pages of that notebook you write in. It must be romances, poems and pieces you put into stanzas. Picking petals for a sign of hope. One left, I'm scared to know. It goes me and you. We keep dancing that same dance. So tell me you are falling the same way. I fall in love with you every single day, and that will never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. Ooh, that'll never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. You don't need to play it safe. Used to dream about it, now it's keeping me awake. Shit, pleasure turning into pain. Can't you see I'm hurting? I'm certain I've been on your brain, no question about it, that's a given. Love is what you make it, mine has got no expiration. Stranger in the streets, but we be fucking on occasion. Leaving X's and Y's in my equation. It goes me and you. We keep dancing that same dance. So tell me you are falling the same way. I fall in love with you every single day, and that will never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. Ooh, that'll never change, long as I'm still breathing.